Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at how to add links and interactions to buttons. I want to add a YouTube video link to this button. I'll paste the YouTube URL into the button link field. When adding YouTube videos, make sure you use the full video URL, not the share link. If the link includes the word watch, then you're using the correct one. When adding links, by default it will open in the same window, which means the user leaves the website. Instead, I can make this video open as a pop-up. To do that, I'll go to the button settings and toggle the pop-up video option. Now, when I preview the page and click the button, the video opens in a pop-up without leaving the site. I can also make the link open in a new tab. I just need to enable the Open Link in a New Tab option. Let's preview it. Now the video opens in a separate tab. Buttons can also link to sections within the same page. For example, I have a Contact Us section here, and I want this button to take users directly to it. To do that, first I'll select the section and go to the Advanced settings. Here I'll add an HTML anchor to the section. Now that the section has an anchor, I'll return to the button and add it as a link. To link to an anchor, type the name of the anchor starting with the pound symbol. Now when I preview the page and click the button, it scrolls directly to the Contact Us section. And that's how you can use buttons to open videos as a pop-up, open content in new tabs, or navigate to sections within the same page.